Hi everyone, I wanted to show you one of the ideas I've had for Halloween. I am going to do some people-sized stuff as well, but for now I'm doing some doll stuff. And what I wanted to create was a series of dolls. There's only going to be about 4, maybe 5 in the series. I'm not sure yet. But basically it's a series of dolls that are people dressed up in their Halloween costumes. So I'm not going for it looking like a real creature. I basically want it to look like a human who's got a mask on, or a human who's got a costume on is the look I'm going for. I've created 4 so far, and this is the first one that I'm showing you. This is a boy who's made his own demon mask, and he's done it very simply, and his costume is just something he put together with what he's got around the house. And I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do for his costume yet. I mean, I know as a kid, basically, I used like the easiest costume to do was dress all in black and then put a mask on. So I might just give him like an all in black outfit. I'm not sure yet. But for now, he's only got jeans on because I haven't got any clothes for him. I've got to make stuff. So what I've done so far is I used epoxy sculpt to create the mask. So I applied that to the doll first and created the shape of this demon head. Then you have to leave it to dry for 24 hours because you have to let epoxy sculpt properly cure. If you paint it before it's finished curing, it'll never cure. And also you've got to make sure you get the ratios right. You've got to make sure you definitely mix it 50-50. Otherwise it doesn't set and it'll stay soft forever. I've had that only happen once, and that was where I hadn't mixed it together long enough. What you need to do is knead it together for about a minute at least and get it really mixed up together, because it comes in 2 parts. And then what I did was once it dried, once it's fully cured, I just applied a wash of, well, I say a wash, it was just, I applied a layer of black acrylic paint over the top of the epoxy sculpt. And then what I did was left that for a second or 2 and then got a baby wipe. You can use just a dry cloth or something, but I wanted to use a baby wipe just because I wanted something with a little bit of moisture in. And literally you just go like that really lightly over the mask, and off the raised edges it will take off the paint and just leave like a bit of a stain to the epoxy sculpt, and then on the recesses it stays in, so any detail, any grooves, any ridges, the black stays, and it just really emphasizes any textures you've put in. And because the eyes sort of smudged when I did it because of how I've sculpted him, I really like that. I really like the sort of smudged eye type effect to it. So I left him as he is. I was originally going to paint him red and then do the black over the top, but I've decided to leave him as he is at the moment because I really like how he turned out. And I've used that technique in my other dolls that I'm going to show you as well. There is one that I've got to add more detail and more colour to, and the other 2 I've just got to add a hint of silver to them. You'll see why when I do the videos, or gold. So yeah, this is my little, one of my little Halloween trick-or-treater dolls. And then I just need to make his costume, make his little trick-or-treat bucket thing. And yeah, so I'll show you when he's completely finished, like when I've done his costume and everything. But I haven't started that yet. I've just focused on getting the mask made. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.